Hello, and welcome to Sonyabeonit channel. Today I'm going to bring you another food item from a local Dollar Tree. Let me say this, in all fairness, please do not knock a person for where they have to shop for their food, because what you will find out, if you truly took the time to do the research, a lot of the food items that you find in your local Dollar Tree was manufactured by the same company that made it for your favorite grocery store. The only difference is they have worked out some type of agreement where they're able to sell it in their store. I worked for a manufacturer that produced the chicken, I'm gonna say it this way, the chicken fillet sandwiches that you so love to eat every single day. But not only did they do those chicken fillet sandwiches for this particular favorite restaurant of yours, but they did it for the frozen bags that you find in your grocery store. They did it for some of your favorite restaurants that you eat chicken from. So stop thinking that. I even worked at a company that produced cookies. Very well-known cookie manufacturer. Not only did they make the brand of cookies, but they also made the store brand as well. So stop thinking just because you go into a Dollar Tree and purchase food, it's not up to standard. So therefore, some things you find in Dollar Tree is going to be on point, and some things you find is not. But you'll never know until you give it a try, and you may find out it may truly be worth your dollar. But today I'm going to show you how simple it is to make this Idaho Supreme mashed potatoes, and in the end I'm going to give you my thoughts, whether it's a great deal or a wasted dollars. So, let's get started. Okay, this is the Idaho Supreme mashed potatoes. This is a well-known brand, and you can find this in your local grocery store as well. And this is the 8-ounce, which is a 10.5 cup serving. Here are the nutrition facts located on the side. Also on this box, they have two different recipes. You can do the potato rolls, or you can make pancakes. Some additional things that you would need in order to give it flavor. First thing we want to do is add water to a container or your pot. It is always best to buy you some measuring devices. Will we use all of this water? No, it's going to evaporate some. We're going to still use our measuring device to measure out how much water do we need to use with this 8-ounce box of instant mashed potatoes. I'm going to place this inside of my microwave for 7 to 10 minutes. If you're cooking on your stove, you can do the same exact timing on a high heating setting. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. When I tell you this is really hot, we're not going to use all of that. And this is all you have. You don't even have a third box of mashed potato in here. That is why I said we're not going to use all that water, but water tends to evaporate. So this is not even half a box. So this one box will not give you 10 to 12 servings. So there you have it, our instant mashed potatoes. I added another tablespoon of butter to this, and what you can do is mix that in there very well. That's the extra butter. It's not required. You don't have to if you don't want to, but we love extra butter in our mashed potatoes. So there you have it, our instant Idaho Supreme mashed potatoes. So the question of the day, Sonya, is it a great deal or a wasted dollar? Well, in my opinion, it is truly a great deal. This is one of our staple food products that we purchase all the time from Dollar Tree. We love it. Sometimes simplicity is the key to life, and if you want to try any type of mashed potato, this is what you want to try. We have a lot of these in the house. Now go ahead and be honest, doesn't that look delicious? Next time that you visit your local Dollar Tree, pick a box up and come back and share your thoughts in the comment section below. So I hope you've enjoyed the time we've shared together. And remember, every dollar counts, even while shopping at Dollar Tree. Until next time, be blessed.